Welcome to Excel Magic. Learn Excel tricks here.
In this spreadsheet we have data in meter and we will learn how to convert meter to feet and inch. Select first cell under feet column and then write the formula as mentioned in the picture. After entering formula, press enter to get the converted result. Select the cell and double-click on the right lower corner to fill data in all the rows. Now let's convert meter to inch with the formula mentioned in the picture. Follow the same process as you did in last time. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe our channel.